Hello friends. So I'm joining you today for a red rose. Valentine Day week is here and we decided we are going to make a red rose. Some of you have sent the references and one of the reference has been sent from US by Anupa Chakrabarti, and we will be using that reference to make the rose. Yesterday I spent almost the whole day in trying out different things so that I can make so that it is easy for you. Which rose will be easy for you. So after a lot of research and study, these are my homeworks, all the work that I have done. So many roses I made, I drew, painted so many roses so that I could help you. I could make something that is easy, that will be easy for you. Okay, this is my homework, all homework done. Different types of roses. So and we have decided, first thing is we must know an easy way to make a rose. Rose, if you see the flower, it is quite a complicated flower, and some of the roses have such different arrangements, it will be difficult for you to make. So I'll give you a very easy tip how to make a rose. So what you will do is you will need a pencil. One thing is first you sketch with the pencil, and when we make the painting, when we paint the rose, we will follow the compositional guidelines. Remember, we decided that whatever we are going to make will be according to the compositional guidelines, that is the rule of third. We will be following the rule of third, and we will be putting the rose on one of the intersection points, the golden mean. Okay, and the colors, I promised we shall do it with 3 colors only. I will take quinacridone red, a yellow color, whichever yellow you have. I'll be taking Hansa yellow or yellow light, and you can take one blue. You may take ultramarine blue or cobalt blue. Fine. So 3 colors. We will do it with 3 colors, and you need an eraser, and do it with a HB pencil or 2B pencil. And when you sketch, do it very light. And even after you have sketched, we must erase, otherwise it will show through the colors. Okay, because the colors that we are going to use will be transparent, it will show. So today I will be just doing the drawing part. I will be showing how you can draw it in a easy way, in a quick way, and you can always improvise. Your rose may be a bit rounded, a bit sharp, whatever. There are some other roses which can be, you don't need to draw them, you can straight away paint them, but they appear a bit childish. So I'll be showing you different types, 2 types of roses, and whichever you like you can make that. Okay, so that's all, and now I'll start with the drawing. Then what I do is I draw, since it is Valentine's Day and Day for Lovers, so let me draw what is more significant for lovers, the heart. So this is the heart that I draw, a tilted heart. Fine. Now what I do is I proceed from here and I cover like this. Fine. Then what I do is I gently hold the heart like this. Fine. Now to hold this heart, I draw a line downwards so as to support my heart. This side also I support the heart. Fine. Now it is resembling the heart, the rose a little bit. Okay, the heart has been enclosed in, say, the fingers or the petals of the rose. Now what I do is I draw another petal that goes outwards like this. Okay, from this I move and I cover this portion. Then again it goes like this. Okay, then a big petal that is enveloping the whole of it. Does it resemble a rose? I hope it resembles a rose, and I feel it resembles a rose. So I draw another petal. Wasn't it easy? So this is the rose that you are going to make. Then you have another petal here, this way, and another enveloping petal here, and one more this way. You can draw another one here. So this is the rose that you are going to make. It is quite easy. What do you say? And then you can make the leaves, you remember the leaves, how the leaves they go? The leaves are like this. The serrations are like this. You draw the central line and then like this. Okay? You have to draw it very lightly. One thing you remember. So the leaves are in bunches of threes, and this is the stalk of the rose. And here also we are going to have a loose painting of the leaves. Okay, here you can make leaves. We shall do a bit of negative painting as well, and we shall make it. So this is your rose. I hope it is quite clear. You just retrace my steps. First was I made a small inverted C, then I joined a bigger C, then I started making a heart, a bit lopsided heart, sign of the heart. Okay, and then what I did was below the tip of the heart I drew like this, enclosing the heart gently. Now from the other side also I enclosed the heart. Then what I did was I embraced the heart. I drew a line down and then like this I supported the heart. Then I drew another one like this, a comma shape, and then from here I drew a petal. You can have this petal pointed also if you want. This is pointed and like this it goes here. Then there was another big petal that comes down all the way down here. You find that this has become a big petal, so you put in another petal here. Then the last is you put a petal here. What you can do is you can have a loose petal like this also. Okay, so friends, this is how you make the rose. I hope you find it easy, and we shall paint it the next time we meet. Okay? Thank you. Happy Rose.